Hey guys, I just received this today and I'm just gonna get straight to it. Yeah, it's from Fashion File. And as always, it comes with like the file, thank you card, receipts in here, so this item is brand new. No one used it before, so yeah, I'll be the first person to use it. It comes with a Fashion File dust bag, and it comes with a small dust bag too, and booklet, and are you ready? It's a wallet. I've been wanting this so bad, but I couldn't find it anywhere at a boutique. And I like how it has like the zipper on the back. It is in gold hardware and it has 6 card slots, 1 compartment, and this is another compartment for like receipts. And here is the authenticity card, and it's made in Italy. So yeah, this is new. It wasn't like in excellent condition or very good, it just said new. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this one because it's so hard to find it, especially in caviar leather. So if you're wondering how much this costs, let me open this up and show it to you. The retail price for this one is $750, and I bought it from Fashion File for the same price, except that I don't have to pay tax. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Baby,